that you go and you look at all these pictures of women not dressed properly, and sisters go out there, see brothers that are capping about their life, and then they connect directly, no wali involved. What do you think about that?
It's all of these things are just the Muslim skin on the original apps like Tinder and Bumble and Hinge. Those are all dating apps, and these are just the Muslim version.
Right?
So even one of them famously sold to a big matchmaking. They sold to Match Group.
The reason I mention it is because this, inshallah, exposes them. They sold to a Zionist company.
No way.
Of course, you're Muslim. And even now, Muslims use it. And by the way, the acquisition was super quiet. Because it happened right after October 7th when they started destroying our brothers in Gaza. Because they knew that if this got out, what would happen?
Of course, their sales were tanked.
So those Muslims signing up and giving their money to what's called Salams, they're actually supporting the Zionists.
It was called something else before. It was called Minda, which I think accurately describes what this Muslim, which is Tinder for Muslims, so they call it Minda.